Hello everyone, my name is Mike. So today I have here a 6th generation iPad. I actually bought this on Amazon Prime Day, literally yesterday, for around $260 after taxes. So it does come in the 32 gigabyte or the 128 gigabyte model, and a few other color variations like the gold, silver, and of course space gray. This iPad actually does feature a 9.7 inch Retina display with a 2048 by 1536 pixel resolution at 264 ppi. It does also support the 1st generation Apple Pencil. I'm actually going to go ahead and open it up, and I'll get right back to you guys. Anyways, I'm here. Here we go. Try to get it open here. Like said before, it is a 9.7 inch display, so it's actually pretty big for the price that you pay. I mean, 250 bucks, you really can't go wrong with getting a display like this. It's really it's an oversized iPod, and you know, you cannot go wrong with that. And don't worry guys, I'm going to do some close-up shots towards the end of the video as well. So what's in the box? So you do get the iPad, obviously, or normal lightning cable charger, power adapter, and of course the manual. I wonder if they include anything of importance. No, just some generic stickers. No one wants those. I believe that's actually it that comes in the box. Let me actually flip this out. And like I said, I did get the space gray model. I think it's the classic. Gives me old time vibes of when I had my first iPod and stuff. But this display is ginormous. Actually, I want to show you guys as well how that A10 chip works out for it. It runs extremely smooth considering it's only $250, way less than what you would pay for your phone. I mean, you genuinely cannot beat this for the price point. So I know this was an overall short review, but I just want to give my opinion on it, and that is, for $250 you genuinely cannot beat this. For the price range, it's pretty doable for most people. And like I said, it's genuinely just a great product for the price. You have an oversized phone. I mean, I'm really just going to use it to multitask and you know, watch YouTube and stuff like that. Maybe play a few games. Nonetheless, I think it's a great buy. Definitely worth the price for budget users. Remember, the next tier is the iPad Mini and iPad Air, which both are in the market around $400+. So for $250 you can't beat it. I'm actually going to leave a link in the description so that you guys can check it out. And feel free to buy it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.